While we sleep, our bodies are functioning optimally, repairing cells, building muscles, bolstering the immune system, and regulating vital metabolic processes are all beneficial effects of this substance. What many people fail to realize is that the appropriate food in the evening can especially help the processes that occur throughout the night. Consuming some meals can be very beneficial while we are in a state of rest. They supply nutrients that facilitate regeneration, detoxification, or calming during the course of the night. Here you will discover information on the meals that you should consume before going to bed to provide your body with the most possible benefits while you are sleeping. Number 1. Yogurt for the gut and a strong immune system. Probiotics are beneficial to the gut flora and may be found in natural yogurt, which provides assistance overnight. Considering the strong connection that exists between the intestines and the immune system, this has a beneficial impact on the body's defensive mechanisms. Additionally, the protein that is included in yogurt guarantees that the muscles receive a continuous supply of nutrients while you are sleeping, which combines the benefits of digestion with the benefits of regeneration. Number 2. Oatmeal provides consistent energy and supports cell repair. There is a high concentration of minerals, fiber, and complex carbs in oatmeal. Melatonin is released more often as a result of their ability to maintain steady blood sugar levels during the night. They also provide zinc and iron, which are vital for cell healing. Thus, a small bowl of oatmeal at night is both filling and energizing. Number 3. Walnuts serve as a natural source of melatonin. Walnuts, in addition to providing omega-3 fatty acids, contribute directly to the production of melatonin, which is the hormone that controls the sleep-wake cycle. In this way, the body is prepared for rest in a gentle manner before falling asleep. It is sufficient to consume 2 to 3 walnuts in the evening to have a beneficial effect on the sleep cycle and concurrently enhance the health of the heart. Number 4. Chamomile and warm milk are classics. Drinks might sometimes have an influence that lasts throughout the night. Chamomile tea has a modest sleep-inducing effect, as well as the ability to soothe the nervous system and reduce inner restlessness. Milk that is warm also contains tryptophan, which is a precursor molecule for the hormone that causes sleep. In situations where stress or a restless day threatens to impair sleep, these tried-and-true classics are especially effective. Final words. If you found this video to be beneficial, please remember to give a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other people who might find it useful. Because of your support, I am able to continue developing personal health advice for you.